Ndị be anyị ekele m unu. Onye unu na-alụ olu ya bụ Comrade Igbo, the National President of Ohanaeze Youth Council. We are really concerned about the level of insecurity in this country. And we are deeply concerned about how this thing affects Igbo and also our neighbors. Recently, we are aware about the attack of Fulani henchmen in Delta State, in a community of Uheru. And we are aware that 14 persons were killed. And today we are aware that Nigeria government, the Nigeria police, they have not fished out those people that launched this mayhem. And today, it is very, very important that we take proactive measure on the issue of security. I want to appeal to the governor of Delta State, Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, to make sure that he form a synergy with the southeastern governors. They need to initiate our local, our native security. Because today, it is obvious, it is a fact that our lives and properties cannot and will never protected by the Nigeria government. Today, we are aware that we are having sabotage in security agencies. So it will be unacceptable, especially our brothers and sisters that are living in Delta State. So we need to rise now and profile an alternative in protecting our lives. We are aware that after the massacre, that those people, the Fulani henchmen, we are given shade by the Nigeria security agencies. So it is obvious to us that in this country, that certain people, they are enjoying the government of Nigeria, and certain people, the government of Nigeria are victimizing them. So I'm appealing to the governor of Delta State to rise now. Otherwise, the worst will happen. Because Nigerian government, they don't feel any concern. At the end of everything, they will issue their statement that they will fish out the people. Since today, Nigeria government have never in anywhere paraded the Fulani henchmen, those people that are killing their fellow human beings. They have never paraded anyone at the court. No one has been jailed in that regard. So Nigeria government, they have demonstrated that they have fed us. They have demonstrated that we cannot trust them in issue of security. So we condemn this attack, and we are asking our brothers there, our sisters there, that we need to promote our regional unity. We need to promote our regional security in order to protect our life. It is very, very important. Otherwise, the worst will happen. But by the special grace of God, we must defend ourselves by every means necessary. The Delta people must rise now to defend themselves. Enough is enough. No one holds monopoly of violence. This madness must stop. This wicked killing must stop. Nigeria government must tell us the truth. They must rise now to live up to their responsibility. These are the issues that can bring anarchy in a state. It it can bring crisis. So we are giving the Nigeria government 14 days. We are giving Nigeria police 14 days to fish out those people that launched this attack so that they can face the law immediately. And that will make us to regain our confidence in them. Thank you and God bless you.